A new image to showcase the Phone 4a rear design for the first time. Nothing recently confirmed that it will unveil the Nothing Phone 4a series of mid-range phones globally on March 5th. One of the major changes with the Phone 4a is the Glyph Bar, which replaces the Glyph Interface on previous models. The Glyph Bar is comprised of 6 square LEDs next to the camera island, with each square featuring 9 individually controllable mini LEDs. The handset may arrive in black, white, pink, and blue. On the back will feature a 50MP main, a 50MP telephoto with 3.5x optical zoom and an 8MP ultrawide, a 32MP front-facing shooter. Nothing has confirmed that the lineup will use Snapdragon chipsets. Both phones will be equipped with the Snapdragon 7's Gen 4 SoC. Only the Pro will support eSIM, as per this source. The standard Phone 4a is expected to cost around $475 while the Phone 4a Pro could have a higher $540 price tag. A 5,400 mAh battery with 50W wired charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.